Hello everybody and welcome to Denver, Colorado. Here I'm showing you another great house from Denver, Colorado. Well, we're actually in Thornton, but close enough. The front door looks like it was kind of in an interesting place. As you can see, they have a lot of these duct work and everything. My sister's along with me too. If you see her in the frames, you know, she can say hi or look, architect's plans. Yeah, they're all banded together. As my rule, I don't alter anything, so I'm gonna leave it as is. Living room, big living room. And it's an open floor plan. Kitchen's back over there, dining's over here with its own dining window. You doing okay over there? Oh, she just honked at me. Great. I'm just messing with you. I'll be a good sport, thank you. Alrighty then. So as like the others we saw, this one has a basement. It's probably too dark to look down there though. Here's the dining room. Nice dining room view of the other house. Front door that I decided not to try to come into. Bedroom or den with its bathroom and 2 closets. Going up the stairs. Ah, looks like they have the HVAC system in already. This is cool. And this is an overlook to the front door. That's cool too. Laundry room. Laundry room with views. Yep, I was right. That is the laundry room, alright. Okay, so that's the loft. This is the master bedroom. This is the master bathroom. And then that's the master closet. And a nice toilet right there. As you can see, they've already started in the attic with duct work and such. Alright. And so off of this landing area, there's a bedroom here. Sorry, my camera is kind of needing to focus. So there's a bedroom in here. And there's a bedroom there and a bedroom over there. Making it 4 bedrooms up here. And then there's a bedroom downstairs, so there's a 5-bedroom house. Let's see if I can look into the basement. I can't guarantee anything. Find anything good down here? You know, she's my little scout for the day. Yeah, it's so dark in here. But they do have a nice HVAC system if you can actually see it. Ductwork up along the ceiling area. I don't know if this camera is showing it very well, but that's some good ductwork. And then they appoint the registers in the floors upstairs. Hello up there! Yeah, window well. Could this be the greatest day of my life? Oh, never mind. It's just a piece of foam. Darn you. Don't let the thing get you. That was creepy. That was real creepy. Creepy. Let's see if we can look at the back of the house before this video runs out. Ooh. Someone had wings. Beautiful fences out here. And that is the back of the house, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful house it was. Very big, beautiful. Alright. If you enjoyed it, I will see you next video. Alright. Bye now. Have a great day.